This screenshot is the basic game user interface. The outside rectangle is the main container. Inside the main container, the top container is the game stage container. All the game activities will happen inside the stage container. In the bottom, we have a game status container. It includes two text fields. One is for game score, another is for game difficulty level. The main container, we set the width equal to 360 pixels, height is 420 pixels, background color to light green, border width to 10 pixels. We also set the border radius value to 10 pixels as well. Now let's go back to code editor. Open the index.html file, add a new div below body section. Give it an ID named as min. Next, we will write CSS code for this min container. Open the style.less file. First, we need to reset the default browser styling. This will make sure all the browsers will start from the same page. We set the margin and padding to 0 and set box sizing value to border box. Border box will make sure the elements' width and height will not be affected by the margin and padding values. Next step, we will write the CSS for the min container. Because we will use background color value repeatedly many places in our CSS code, so we define it as a variable in order to reuse it later. Now we have created the outside min container. The stage container is almost the same as the min container. We have created state container and static container. Now we need to align them in the center of the main container. Here, we use CSS Flexbox layout. Now we need to create the game elements, such as snake player and game items. Snake player is a 10 pixel by 10 pixel black box. Game items is a 10 pixel by 10 pixel black box as well, but we use 4 small 4 pixel by 4 pixel black boxes to form one single game item. Then rotate each small box to make it looks interesting. Since this course mainly focuses on JavaScript, we don't want to spend too much time on HTML and styling, so feel free to walk through the rest of this video. You can check the source code from GitHub. Please refer to the link in the description section below. Now we have finished the basic game user interface. Next chapter, we will talk about how to create JavaScript class using TypeScript.